Okay, back to solving this. Right, and to multiply out the brackets, 12x's plus 18 equals 2 lots of 4x's will be 8x's plus 2 lots of 7, which is plus 14. Which one's got most x's in? Well, it's the left hand side, so I want to get rid of these 8x's. I need to take away 8x's from the other side. So we've got 12x's taking away 8x's, that will leave me with 4x's plus that 18 equals, and it'll just leave me with that 14. And now I need to take away, or get rid of that 18, which is plus 18, so I need to take away 18 from both sides, and that will leave me that 4x's equals negative 4, and now I need to divide both sides by 4, and that will leave me that 1x is negative 1. This one here, two ways I could do it. Either take away 2 first, or I could times by 4. I think I'm going to take away the 2 first and get rid of the minus 2. So long as I do the same thing to both sides, I'm okay. So I'm going to take away 2 from both sides, and that will vaporize the plus 2, and that will leave me that x over 4 equals 5. And now I can get rid of the divide by 4. I do that by timesing both sides by 4, and that will give me that 1x is 20. I'll come back and do that a different way in a moment. This one here, I'm definitely going to times by 5 to start off with to get rid of this bit. If I take away an x, I've got to be careful because I've got that 3x there. I can't just take away an x and make it 2x because that 3x is divided by 5. Got to get rid of the divide by 5, so I'm going to times both sides by 5. But that I also need to be careful. When I times by 5, I'll vaporize the 5, because divide by 5 times by 5 just gives me 3x's. And I've got to times the x minus 3 by 5. So times the x by 5 and I get 5x, and I also get minus 15. Okay, which one's got most x's in? Well, it's the right hand side, so I'm actually going to take away these 3x's here and take away 3x's from that side. Now that will leave me with nothing on the left hand side equals 2x's minus 15. And now I've got x's on the right hand side. I want to get rid of the numbers from there. I'm going to add 15 to both sides, and that will give me that 15 equals 2x's. Divide both sides by 2, and that will give me 7.5 equals x. The other way I could have done it, this one, I'm going to come down here, was I said I could have actually got rid of the divide by 4 first. Now I do that by timesing both sides by 4. That means I have to times every term by 4. So I have to times that by 4, I have to times that by 4, and I have to times that by 4. Every term by 4. When I do the inverse, or the opposite of that, that will give me x, but I also get x plus 8 equals, and then 7 times 4 is 28. Then I need to take away 8 from both sides, and that leaves me exactly the same where I was to start off with, that 1x equals 20. Same answer, different way through of going about it. Question 11 done.